What time do you get up? 7. And today you got up at 4. Look at her eyes, all red. You too? Huh? Good. So this itself, 10 days, is a good way of education. To make your personality. To improve your attitude, aptitude, and get to know your own capabilities. It's a rare opportunity. Make the best out of it.